Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Mission, British Columbia, a charming town nestled in the heart of the Fraser Valley. Mission is known for its natural beauty, with the Fraser River to the north and the rugged mountains of the Coast Range providing a picturesque backdrop. The town was named after the nearby St. Mary's Mission, a Catholic mission established in the area in the 1860s. The mission played a significant role in the early development of the region, serving as a hub for both spiritual and community activities. Whether you're visiting for the day or considering a longer stay, Mission is a place that invites you to explore its history and enjoy its natural beauty. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Mission, British Columbia.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.